Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yes, blessed Sunday, you see? Yeah, 2 videos I want to talk to you about in this video, viewers and subscribers, you see? Now, I want to say these things. I want to say to each and every selectors and our DJs out there, be careful of the commands that you give to your audience when you're in a party. Because I came to the realization that you have some persons who might take the things that you're saying the wrong way. You see what I say? Because I saw a video posted on social media some time ago that shows an old man dancing with a young woman at a party. In the video you can hear music playing, and the video also shows a certain amount of persons who was at that party. And while the old man was dancing with the young woman, a selector who was at that party said, "Stab her, stab her, stab her," repeatedly. Now, viewers and subscribers, while the old man was dancing with the woman, the old man somehow got an object in one of his hands. I don't know if a knife, I don't know if it's a scissors, I cannot identify what the old man got into one of his hands. See, but the selector or the DJ saw what the old man was doing and gave a command to whoever was playing the music to stop the music by saying pull up, pull up, pull up. And then the same selector or the DJ reached for the hand that the old man have the object in and said certain things to him, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to play just a piece of that video so that you can hear some of the things that he said to that old man. So me ask viewers and subscribers, now listen carefully because the video is somewhat noisy, all right? Listen. My people, what was that the old man had in one of his hands? What was that? Because I heard when at least one person in the video said the word knife. But me not jump to no conclusion. That's why I asked the question. In my point of view, I think that the old man took the things that the selector or the DJ said the wrong way when he said stab her, stab her, stab her. You see it? In my point of view, I don't think the selector mean that he should injure the female. No. See? Lots of times I go to lots of parties and hear selectors I say, stab her, stab her, stab her, while a man a dance with a woman. Most of the times them say these things when a man and a woman a do a type of dance that is known as Daggerin. Yeah, it's a Jamaica type of dance that is known as Daggerin, viewers and subscribers. That's what I say. See? So, be careful, selectors and DJs out there. Be careful of the commands that you give to your audience. Because we can't believe what we see here in that video. You understand? The next video I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers. This video shows some things that happened when police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago went inside of a house that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, and according to information that I got about the video as well, I got the understanding that police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went inside of a house and found some things that are said to be marijuana. I also got the understanding that at least one person had been detained or arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video also shows a police officer doing his job in a way that I think is a professional way, viewers and subscribers. You understand? But you can tell me what I think. You can tell me how you think the police officer handled the situation as well. You can tell me if you think him handled the situation professionally or if he did not handle the situation professionally. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that this video shows some things that are said to be marijuana, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Mr. Wait a minute. Mr. Akil, I'm Constable Williams. I'm attached to the police task force. My regimental number is 19231. This is my ID.
See what, boy?
That's it. I'm a police officer. I'm attached to the police divisional task force. My colleague here, PC Legaton, number 10169, Police Constable Legaton. Search warrant. Dangerous drugs, cyber GP. Right?
Listen carefully, no, because I can learn something from the people who say no. Listen.
This is my colleague ID card. PC Legaton, 10169. He's also a police officer. That's what I'm saying.
Professional, right?
Pops, you get the case I didn't get on time. Based on my observations, Mr. Durham, I'm of the opinion that the item contained in this clear plastic wrap, this transparent plastic wrap, I'm seeing and smelling what appears to be a dangerous drug, cannabis, commonly called marijuana.
Marijuana.
You know what, Mr. Durham? I want to hear what you're saying, sir. Alright. Now, you're not about to say anything.
Me people, I don't know if I'm me, I hear wrong, but it come like me hear somebody mumbling at the background of the video. You see me? The way the person mumble, it makes me somewhat mumble a little while ago when I try to say certain things to you. You know, it's like me know me here. It's like me hear somebody there pan. You know, I'm not sure. But listen, tell me if you hear it too, you know.
I'm not sure what to do so. But when you say it, can't put it to the right and give it again. You understand what I said here? In layman terms, you don't have to say anything to me. You don't have to answer to anything. It's your choice. Right? That's in layman terms. But whatever you say, can we put it to the right and give evidence against you before court of law?
Notice my reason. I reason that the man.
I'm officially, I'll tell you again, you're not obliged to say anything unless you should do so. Whatever you say, can we put it right and give evidence against you?
Yeah.
I'll tell you again, sir, I'm of the opinion that this green, dried plant material contained in the colored plastic wrap, contained in this white plastic bag. This, I'm of the opinion, is cannabis, commonly called marijuana. The law, as we speak now, the law allows one person, a male or female in a house, to have 50 grams or 4 trees in their possession.
Yeah.
I'm of the opinion that this is way more than the amount that you're allowed to have and you're allowed to have in your possession.
You hear that?
As it pertains to this.
So the law allow you to have a certain amount, but just not too much. Listen.
Now this similar substance contained in this transparent plastic
So what that do?
is also cannabis, commonly called marijuana.
Okay.
See that?
Okay.
I'm of the opinion that this is also cannabis, commonly called marijuana.
I want to speak
This
somebody.
other item here, sir. Similar substance, similar plastic. I'm also of the opinion that this is cannabis, commonly called marijuana.
Yeah, that squeaking sound. They sound like one time shoes I used to wear back in the days.
Similar substance, sir. Similar wrapping. I'm of the opinion that this is cannabis, commonly called marijuana. I caution already, sir. You become to the Versace police station.
You know, my brother they look upset.
This.
May I stop it right there, so viewers and subscribers? You see? May I stop it right there, so. Yes, when it comes down to marijuana, yeah, there are countries out there worldwide where you are allowed to have a certain amount by law, but just not too much. In my point of view, it's like certain rules and laws have been made to make sure that persons cannot or should not sell and distribute marijuana. You understand? But as for me, still viewers and subscribers, I would encourage each and everyone to say no to drugs. You see me? Yes, say no to drugs. You understand? You have some persons, it's like them think different when it comes down to drugs. You see me as the people. But me that encourage anyone to say no to drugs. I just me that. You see? Yeah man, I respect when police officers do them job professionally. I respect that. You understand? Yeah. Anyways, I think I have some going to leave it to my people, yeah? Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you or those videos that I talk about with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so, Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah man,